If you are a participant and would like to join someone else's meeting, there are two most often used ways to do this. First one requires you knowing their meeting ID and password. If that is the case, all you have to do is just start your Zoom application that you previously installed on your computer, then click on Join. When you do that, it will ask you for that number on the ID, and also you can type in your name how you wish it to be displayed. If you do not want to connect the audio, that means you will start muted, and you can also turn off your video so the video does not start automatically. Then you will click on Join. The second most used way to connect to the Zoom meeting is via email invitation. What you see here is an excerpt from one with blurred out pieces that are sensitive. So you will be able to see that there is a date, time, and all you have to do is click on a link. The links are specific and they are attached to each and every one of the meetings separately. You will have your meeting ID displayed here, the password if it's been used, and you will also be able to use specific phone numbers that are given if you would like to connect by phone instead of using an online web audio. So once again, all you have to do is just simply click on the link, and it will start either in a web browser if you do not have the application installed on your computer, or it will ask you to open the application for Zoom on your computer to start the meeting.